Hi everyone, welcome to the Black Friday Taddy Brothers special. In this video here, we first want to introduce you to our new website. We have worked very hard to make the website easier to use and more functional. We've added a lot of goodies. One goodie that we added, you can now download the manuals and see the videos of installation. That's just one of the many goodies you could do before purchasing. Now, once you're on the product page, I want you to browse around, see what you think. We made things a lot easier. We made a little customized section where you can click on, you can see all the different customizations. It's open, it's a lot more clear. Then you could even go down the page and click on the actual component that you're purchasing. That'll show you what that component is, pictures and videos. There's almost a video for every piece, for every product on the website. You can do all that. Oh, one more thing. Don't forget, everything is free shipping on the website, just in case you weren't sure. Free shipping on the website, okay? But we'll let you explore and see all the new stuff, obviously, and I'm sure we'll hear the feedback. Let us know what you guys think. Now, as for the coupons, okay? Black Friday is kicked off, and here's what we're gonna do. We are giving you a price guarantee. That means that anything you see on the website, right, you are guaranteed to have the best price until the end of December, right? Till Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. Now, how this works, let's just say you are looking at the 90121. You're gonna go there now, you're gonna see that we're having a Black November price. Oh yeah, this is only good for in-stock items, right? Now, you're gonna go to the website, you're gonna look at the 90121, and you're gonna see that it is usually $730. The Black November pricing on it, from what I can tell, is, if I remember right, $599.99. Now, usually that's the deal, right? That's either that or a coupon. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna then whip on over to our coupons page, right? There's a little button there on the top of the page, right? Whip on over to the coupons page and see the deals that we have there, right? Like you'll see it right here below. Now, you're gonna take that code and add it to that $599. So let's just say it's $50 off or $80 off, whatever it is. So it's $730 down to $600, and then you're gonna knock off another $50. That's it. Now, between now and Christmas, right, if you see a better coupon or a lower price or whatever it is, give us a jingle. The team will instantly refund you, okay? That's number one. Number two, as for the refunds and returns, you can return anything you buy now until 30 days after Christmas. So for example, we know people are buying stuff now. You're gonna get the box, right? You're gonna wrap it nice, and then you're gonna hide it in the closet where you think nobody knows it's there. Christmas Day, you're gonna put it by the tree, or Hanukkah under the menorah. Everybody's gonna be shopping, okay? Now, Christmas Day, they're gonna come, they're gonna open it, hey, you know what, I wanted the bigger screen. Well, you should have gotten the 10-inch. Everybody loves the 10-inch. In any case, they're gonna say, swap it out for me, or you know what, just return it. No problem. Give us a call within 30 days of Christmas Day. That means the end of January, and we will take it back. Now, if you need any extra help, give us a call anytime at 866-966-5550, and our American-based team will gladly help you. If you want to speak with me, I'm Tamir. I'm always around, and it'll be my honor to earn your business. From all of us here at Taddy Brothers, thanks for watching. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays, and we hope to speak with you soon. Safe travels. Bye-bye, guys. See ya.